Hi guys, everyone's been asking me what I give my kids in the winter months. Well, my children had this power-packed date and nut smoothie. It's great for everyone, including kids, elderly, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers. For this, you'll need 5 to 6 dates, pitted, 2 tablespoons each of cashews, almonds, pistachios and sultanas. Except for the dates, we're going to soak the dry fruit in hot water for 15 minutes. This will help release all of the nutrients and the natural sweetness of the fruits. We're just going to strain that water and add the fruits and the nuts to the food processor. Now you're going to add the dates. They're packed full of energy and calorie dense. They're great for when you need a quick energy fix. 2 cups of milk, because you've got your calcium right there, and honey for natural sweetness. You can omit the honey if you like, and if it's too sweet for you already, you don't really need to use it. This is a must-have recipe for everyone, so don't forget to share it with all your friends and your loved ones. At this point you can add ice, or you can blend it as is. Pour into glasses and top with dried fruit and nuts. This is usually enough to serve 2 to 3 people, depending on how big you want your serving size. The perfect power-packed date and nut smoothie. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!